Meron bang elemento o meron bang mga dapat munang, nangyayari before ka magdeklara ng National Food Emergency for Rice?
There has to be an increase in prices
Mhm.
or a supply shortage. Dalawa yung option, dalawa yung definition niya, supply shortage o kaya increase sa prices. No? Yan po ang magiging problema nila dahil ang presyo ng bigas ngayon mataas pero pababa na. Hindi nag-i-increase. Nag-increase siya last year at nung last year, pero at this point in time it is already going down. So how do you now say that there is an emergency when the prices are starting to go down? So, medyo huli yung pag-declare. Kaya actually nga, pilit yung pag-declare ng emergency. Ginagawa lang nila yon para may legal basis na ilabas yung NFA stock.
Opo,
Kahit
opo.
walang talagang emergency.